Good evening, class. Today in this beautiful evening, I want to show you how to make a mama mee goreng. The ingredients that we need today is 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 stalks of garlic, 1 whole onion, 1 egg, fish cake, tofu, gado-gado, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, light soy sauce, chili paste gravy, bean sprout, sayo sawi. For the garnishing, wedges of lime, spring onion, and red chili. And this one is the main item, yellow mee. First, light up the wok. Make the wok hot. Pour the oil. And after the oil, put the garlic, onion, fry it until golden brown and fragrant. Add the fish cake, tofu, gado-gado, and egg. Put the yellow mee, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, gravy, oyster sauce, stir fry, bean sprout, sawi, So, once it's cooked, put inside the plate. Garnish with spring red chili and wedges of lime. Pause. Squeeze some lime juice. Okay. And thank you.